You are watching Math with McMurdo. Here's your host, McMurdo.
So, Owen, have you ever done a number talk?
Yes.
Can tell me how it works.
So basically, we go over some problems together at the class, and then
You do what?
We have to think of ways to find the answer.
Okay, so we go over problem as a class, try and think of ways to find the answer. Anybody else want to add? To yes, ma'am. Okay, so it's done in your head. Do we show any way of agreeing or disagreeing? Okay, so thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay, if we have another way, if you have another way, you have thumbs up, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's look at a few problems here. Let's start with 98 plus 5. Let me give you some seconds to think about it. Yes, ma'am.
103.
103. How did you do?
So I broke up the 5 into 2 and 3,
Okay.
and then I added that 2 to 98, and I got 100, and then I just added the 3.
Okay. So you broke up the 5 into 2 and 3. Added the 2 to 98, which made it 100. And then 100 plus 3 is 103. Anybody do it differently? Everybody did? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So you count it up? Okay. Count it up? Yes, sir.
I took away 2 from the 5 to get 100 and then added it.
Okay. Very good.
I took away 98 minus 9 minus 7 and then add 1 to 5 plus 6. I think 6 plus 197 is easier.
Okay. So you took 1 away from this.
No.
Oh, 1 away from this.
And
And added it to this. And so you had 97 plus 6. Okay. Let's look at another one, which is going to be 98 plus 13. 98 plus 13. Let me give you a couple of seconds to do that. Couple seconds to do that. What'd you get?
100 some. Wait. 103.
103. And how did you get 103?
I added the 10 to the 9, and then I added the 3.
Okay, so you added the 10 to the 9, this 10?
Just, yes.
Okay, so you made that 108, and then added the 3. All right. All right, anybody do it differently? Yes, sir.
I took the 3 and made it into 1 and 2. And I added the 2 to the 98. And then I added and then I got the 10. I added that, and then I added the 1.
Okay, so let me see if I understand. 98 plus 13. You made the 3, 1 plus 2, and then this stayed 10.
Yeah.
And
I
then-
added 2 to the 98 to get 100.
Okay, added the 2 to 98, got 100, and then you had 10 and 1 left.
Yeah.
All right. Anybody else? We agree? All right, yes, sir.
I just did it all together.
You just did it all together? Okay. Let's look at one more. Let's do 98 plus 52. 98 plus 52.
you're 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I did is I took the 2 away from the 52, and then I added that to the 98. So I got 100, and then I added the 50 to the 100, and that got me to 150.
Okay. Okay. We good with that? All right. Now, did you do it differently?
I just added the 2 and
And
then.
then 50. Okay. All right. When we do these number talks, and when you've done them in the past, And when I've taught them in the past, people are great at this part of it. Great at this part of it. Not so great at using it when they're doing their work later. So these are skills we're learning, and you need to apply those skills. Just like when you do anything else, you learn a skill and you got to practice using the skill. So think about this kind of stuff when you're doing the maths. I'm going to start saying maths because, it sounds cooler than math.
This has been Math with McMurtle. Bye bye.